there, welcome back to day 9 with the Elite Mentoring. I'm so over the moons right now that we have been so many days together. So for today, as yesterday we were making that bong when you were mixing with baking sodas and so. So for today, we will still use some of the experiments from baking sodas and trying to put this into reaction. So I'm gonna do several of these experiments right now with baking soda. So check it out. So that is for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, follow the Elite Mentoring.